Hello developers, I am Murat Öksüzer. I am going to run some tests for MaFiA, asynchronous file manipulation, Spring Boot application. For more information, what is MaFiA and what is the details, you can go to my blog post here and see the details. How can we define and integrate our own manipulation logic, and how can we test it? Which technologies are used in MaFiA. In this video, I will run tests for MaFiA, first from Postman, and after that I will run through a Java client for a single file for 100 bulk requests and 1000 file requests. I will test. Let's start with Postman. I will upload this image file and want to scale it into some parameter. Its dimension is here. It is a huge file, and in the Postman, here is my parameters. I will give the manipulation name as scale image. This says that I want to apply scale image manipulation into this file, and here are my parameters while executing manipulation. Let's send this request and get an UID. Application is not running. Excuse me. Let's run this application first. Yes, it's up and running. Let's send the Postman request again. Yes, we get an UID, and we will use this UID to get the status. Get sending and get status. Yes, it is finished. And then we use this same UID to download the output. Let's send and save the response into a file. Let's save into here. Yes. Let's look at it. It is scaled. Okay. Let's run the Java client. In the Java client test, we will upload the same image, and we will give 0.3 as the scale parameter, and the other parameters, JSON parameters, is here. We are using here Apache HTTP client to send the HTTP requests, and we will wait until the process is finished, and after that we download the output here. Let's run these tests. Yes, it is finished. Let's refresh this. The scaled image is here. Yes, it is. This is for a single file request. Let's run 100 file requests here. In a single threaded client, we will iterate 100 times and send 100 requests. Let's run this. Yes, the requests are sent. Let's see what is happening in the database. Is there any failed? No. Is there any waiting? One? No. Let's refresh and look at the table. Finished. Everyone is finished. The output directory is here. Let's clear them, and after that run 1000 file request tests. And let's clear all them. Okay, it is great. We will expect 1000 output files here after our work is done. In this runnable class, similar to a bulk request, we sent 100 file request, file match file scale requests, and we run this runnable 10 times in 10 different threads. Let's run this. Yes, the requests are going. Let's see what is happening in the database. There is waiting jobs, processing jobs. Yes, let's look at the logs here. Yes, the total element says that the waiting jobs in the database for each 5 seconds, a scheduled method is checking waiting jobs and executing them. While this is executing, let's go into details of project. The important part is here. You can define your own file manipulation logic here. For example, in scale image manipulation class is here. You create a class and extend the abstract manipulation class, and then implement the apply manipulation method. In this method, you get an uploaded file path, and the output file path you save the result. Whatever you want, you can implement your own file manipulation logic here, and then you need to register this manipulation class in init manipulation store service here. You just give a name and the class of the manipulation here, and then the clients can request this manipulation to apply to upload to the uploaded files. And okay, in application properties, we have an executor thread pool size. This, if you increase this number, the file number of simultaneously executed jobs will increase also. Yes, our waiting jobs are finished. Let's see if there are any failed ones. No waiting. Is there any failed? No. Seems each one of is okay. Let's see here. Okay, and we expect 1000 output files in this class. Let's see. Yes, 1000 items here. Okay, for more details, you can visit my blog site in here. Thanks for listening.